What'd you think about that?
Let's check it out. Look what you did. That's alright. You know where that's gonna go? Now you're gonna help Ed. You're gonna work all day. You got some shoveling to do. Good thing. Easy shoveling.
Well, that couldn't have gone any better. Thanks for letting him know.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is gonna stick with him for a while.
I had a couple other things to do.
What did you think about that, Patrick? You got to work the dump truck? Whoa!
We're not even ready.
Look
Still
at
not-
that.
No, wait, no, that box still isn't level. I'm gonna fill that up. Just the place we're in the dig. Still got some, 4 years.